This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday, June 24th. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather fairly unsettled today. We'll maintain the chance of storms for the rest of the week and the weekend. That's kind of routine for summer. They will be more scattered in nature, we think, for the rest of this week. Take a peek out the window with the Skycam network this afternoon. That's coming from Birmingham, looking east. Some pretty heavy rain off in the distance. Here's the Decatur Skycam. Pretty much the same thing there. A big downpour on the other side of the Tennessee River. And, ooh, that looks good. That's the Alabama Gulf Coast. It's a gorgeous shot there. Look at that deep blue sky. So far, they have been dry, but even down there, they could see a storm later today or tonight. Little upper trough swinging through that's aiding in the development of the showers and thunderstorms today. That was the radar at 2:39. The heavier storms at that point were up in Morgan County. We did see some tree and power line damage in parts of Walker and Blount counties today. Some damage reported around Summerton and Hayden with downed trees and power lines there. Temperatures way below average. Nobody griping about that. Only 70s for Tuscaloosa and Haleyville. Mid-80s for Birmingham, Anniston, and Gadsden. We'll see numbers coming back up toward 90 later this week. Watch warning map, pretty quiet. Flash flood watches for parts of Ohio, Pennsylvania, and New York. A severe thunderstorm watch for parts of Kansas until 9 o'clock tonight. And any severe weather risk in terms of the organized severe weather confined out there to the western high plain states. Pretty much the same deal tomorrow and the same deal Thursday from the panhandle of Oklahoma up into Montana. And on day 4, which is Friday, a risk of severe weather way up north, which is pretty much what you expect here in late June, and that this is the core of their tornado season right now. Overall rain through the weekend, at least through Sunday morning, about 1 inch around here. And, of course, we'll see a lot of varying numbers from town to town because of the scattered nature of the storms. And the tropics are still very quiet. We'll check the GFS, the Global Forecast System. This is valid tomorrow at 1 o'clock local time. The 12Z run at 500 millibars. The little feature that brought the enhancement today is onto the east, so it looks like the showers and storms should be probably a little less active tomorrow. But still, there could be some out there. In fact, this is the, take a look at the high-res NAM. This is late tonight, 11 o'clock, and this is suggesting one last batch of storms coming through tonight with this trough, and this is tomorrow evening at 7 o'clock, really showing hardly anything for the Tennessee Valley of North Alabama and a few scattered storms along and south of Interstate 20. So, yes, the chance of a storm tomorrow evening, but we think they will be fairly widely spaced, and again, mainly south of Interstate 20. Thursday, looks like another little disturbance could bring another enhancement of showers and storms, and that's the problem this time of the year. Every day there's the chance of a storm. The question involves the placement and the coverage. And maybe storms will increase a little bit on Thursday. There's Friday. And again, looks like we'll see scattered showers and storms about. Not going to rain all day. Here's a look at Saturday as we kick off the weekend. The models are trending a little drier with an upper ridge beginning to build in. Is there a chance of a storm? Absolutely. But probably they'll be widely spaced, and the same thing on Sunday. And the heat levels creep up a little bit with highs around 90, but still, that's not too bad for late June. Monday of next week, pretty much the same thing. And this is Tuesday, 594 heat bubble over Arizona and New Mexico. An upper high is east of the state, a little weakness in between. So again, that just kind of suggests the typical summer stuff, partly sunny, a few spots getting an afternoon storm. And again, that's a week from today, the first day of July. Meteorological summer, 1/3 of the way over by then. This is July 10th, the end of the forecast cycle. Heat bubble is centered out west over Salt Lake City and Denver. Down here, just old standard summertime weather. Nothing out of the ordinary, partly sunny with a chance of scattered, mostly afternoon and evening thunderstorms. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can, catch us this evening on the live stream of the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.